No crazy tools, none of that stuff. Here to show us how is Hot Heads stylist Tara Ray Stevens. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
So tell us a little bit about this new technology, what it's called and how it works.
This is Hot Heads, and the most amazing thing about it is it was actually developed by a company that specialized in hair replacement for 30 years.
Okay.
So their huge motivation was, let's create extensions, since every celebrity wears them and all of us want this beautiful, full, gorgeous hair. How can we do this and not cause damage? So the technology is actually surgical tape that bonds to itself. So we take two pieces with the client's hair in between. I'll go ahead and show you how it's done.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you spin her just to the side a little bit so we can see? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. So it's done so quickly and so easily. In the salon, we do a whole head in under an hour.
Really?
That includes cutting the hair. I'm going to have you hold that for me. And it's just
And you just tape
in.
it on?
It's taped like that, and then the next piece goes right on top. And just give it a little pinch, and that's it.
You're kidding.
No damage, no heat, no tools except for a comb, and you get this amazing, gorgeous celebrity hair.
And it matches really well with her
Isn't
natural
it amazing?
color, color.
It is really great quality hair. It's not synthetic, so it can be washed as normal, curled, flat ironed, however you would like to style it.
Awesome. And for those that aren't familiar, how do the conventional extensions work?
There's several methods. There were the weft methods where the hair was braided and they were sewn in, super damaging. I've had girls come in with horrible breakage. So this method actually has been great for growing out that damage, and you can still have great hair and you know you're not causing further damage.
Very cool. And we actually have a before picture, I believe, of our model. Yeah. There she is. Oh, still looking beautiful, but yeah, the hair is a little shorter there.
Much shorter, less full. It is flat ironed today, but she loves to wear it curly, and she'll have big volume and beautiful length mermaid hair.
Very good looking. I like that a lot. Okay, so we have a second model that we're going to switch out. While we do that, what are we talking about as far as how long this is going to last, price, all that kind of good stuff?
The Hot Heads tape-in method the hair lasts for 6 months. The client comes in about every 7 or 8 weeks.
Okay.
Because as it grows further from the scalp. And so we use a solvent that removes that tape, retape them, and we move them right back up. So the client comes in typically about 3 times with that same hair.
In the 6-month period. And then price-wise, what are we looking at?
Most clients pay $1,000 to $1,200, which is actually on the low end of high-end extensions. It's actually really affordable, and because that hair is reusable, it becomes a really great price for them.
It can go and go and go.
It goes
Very cool. Okay, so we have our next model here.
So this is Kimmy, and today I'm showing you a brand new product by Hot Heads. It was just released in New York last week. This is called Tress Couture, and it's a clip-in piece, so it's a weft. They come in several different shapes and sizes, 22 colors, several blends. And what makes these so amazing and different is that they have this mono mesh lace weft. So unlike other clip-ins that are really heavy, bulky, hot, uncomfortable to wear, it breathes, it lays really flat, it's really lightweight. It's as if you have nothing on your hair.
Cool.
And so this is for the client that maybe isn't ready to commit fully to having that permanent look of Hot Heads hair extensions. This is something that they can do at home. If they have an event, a prom, a wedding, rather than spending a couple of $100s on an updo, they can buy these pieces retail for starting at $200.
Cool.
They can do it themselves at home. And what I did was I just sort of really quickly pre-curled Kimmy's hair, and 4 clips. It can be clipped in anywhere on the head. And
you just kind of snap it, huh?
Snaps in 2 seconds. It's just a couple of clips here. And then because this is great quality hair, it can be curled to match the rest of her hair just in seconds. I mean, this is like beautiful va-va-voom hair with, you know, no salon visit. Do it yourself at home. And you're good to go, longer, thicker, more volume, and it's gorgeous.
Oh, I think I need to get one of those wand thingies. I need one of those.
Maybe I'll come back and teach you how to do that.
Please do. I need all the help I can get. So you just style it like that, like you would your regular hair.
This is, so with this method, or with these new clip-ins, the biggest difference is the quality of hair is unparalleled. Any other clip-in you buy at that price is going to be synthetic. You can't curl it, you can't wash it. This is also, it's called, the hair is attached by hand, meaning it will move in any direction. So you can style it with any parting, however you'd like.
Very cool. And should we show the before and after picture? Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's before. And then we'll show the luscious after. Looking good. Very good. I like that with the little clip on. That literally took you like 10 seconds. And it's a whole new head of hair. Very cool stuff.
Amazing.
Thank you, ladies, so much for being here. We really appreciate it. If you'd like to get more information about hotheads or their hair extensions, you can reach Tara Ray Stevens by going to our website, fox5sandiego.com, clicking on that Scene On tab. Raul, good stuff, right?
All the ladies look beautiful. Thank you, Erica. I don't know how all that works, but all I know is y'all look great. Right? Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Still ahead here on the Fox 5 Morning News.